Today we're going to be buying a sneaker at every designer sneaker store in the entire mall. Now this is going to be the most expensive mall here in Georgia, Phipps Plaza. Typically we buy hypebeast sneakers and things of that nature, but today we are buying anything designer. We're going fancy. I don't really buy a ton of designer shoes. I kind of stick to all the actual sneakers. I actually put a list together of all the stores in the mall that would sell designer sneakers. There's actually 16 of them total, so we're gonna write them all down, put them in a bucket, draw them out, and see which stores we go to first. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna pick out 5 stores to go to today, and then if you guys wanna see us go to the rest of the 11 stores, go ahead and get this video to 15,000 likes. Let's go ahead and pick our first store. What do we got? First store is going to be Amiri. Nice. I actually have never been to this store in this mall. I've been a fan of Amiri for a long time, so that is store number 1. All right, number 2, what are we gonna be? What are we gonna do? We have Versace at store number 2. This could be a good one. We've shopped in there before. I think that it could be a good option though. Go for number 3. Number 3 is going to be Gucci. Ooh, this is one I've not shopped at in a good while. I'm excited about that though, that should be fun. All right, next one up is going to be Prada. That's another good one, so pretty cool.
Expensive.
Yeah, that's an expensive one. I like a lot of their stuff though, the clothing. Wish I could shop for clothing instead. All right, the last one up is going to be Saks Fifth Avenue. So we put Saks Fifth Avenue in there because they have all kinds of designers and it gives us more options. And if you guys want to see some of the other stores that were in there, we have like Fendi, we have Balenciaga, we have Dolce & Gabbana, Celine. So there's a lot of different options. And if you guys want to see us do the remaining of the stores, get this video to 15,000 likes and we'll do the rest of the 16 stores total or something it was. So go ahead, 15,000 likes, and we'll do the rest of them and spend a bunch more money. All right, you made it over to Phipps Plaza. We're underground because it's freaking pouring rain out right now. So we're gonna go to incognito glasses mode and start going shopping, see what we can do. Let's go. All right, first store up is going to be Versace. Now the displays here, super nice, super crazy looking inside. There's a selection of shoes, but I'm gonna be honest, there's only really one that has my eye. All the other ones just aren't really doing it for me. So I looked around just a little bit, but not fully into all of the shoes here. And so I'm gonna probably have an easy decision when picking a shoe. Then we immediately pop over to Amiri. Now, I've never been in here before, but this store is incredible and they have a lot of fire here. I love a lot of these. We got some like chunky skate shoe looking shoes. We got some all kinds of different sneakers here that I really, really love. These ones might be catching my eye, but I'm gonna try a few on, see how they look, and then kind of go from there. Had to look around at some of the clothing because they have some fire. This shirt is $2,500. This set right here also is sick, but went ahead, bought my pair of shoes, and the price was actually not too bad. All right, guys, it's time for a brand new giveaway for the Nike SB Jarritos. The rules are very, very simple. Number 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel down below. Number 2, follow at harrisonnevel over on Instagram. Number 3, comment on the picture that's on my Instagram that you'll see on the screen and tag 2 friends on that photo. And I'll be picking the winner in 3 weeks from today and pick a pair in your size. Really cool pair. Make sure you don't miss out. All right, just finished up the first 2 stores. We had pretty good shopping experiences so far. We went to Amiri instead of Fendi because Fendi isn't open at that mall yet. A lot of the stores aren't open there yet. I really liked a lot of shoes at Amiri. The Versace was here and there. And the prices, honestly, I thought would be more for like the Amiri stuff, but it's some good options. So next we have Prada. We're actually have to go across the street to the other mall because that store is over there, not here. So I was confused why the mall website is listing both, but I don't want to pick another store here. So we're gonna go to Prada over there, get some shoes, and we're gonna come back and do the final 2. Walking into Prada. These stores all look pretty good from the outside. They've done a really good job on it. Now, when looking at the sneakers in Prada, there's a lot of them that honestly are kind of the same style. They're just different colors and different materials. So I kind of wanted to get one of these just in a specific color. So hopefully they have it and hopefully they fit. 3 pairs down. That was the most expensive yet. That was almost a rack. And honestly, it's probably my second favorite so far. We got 2 left. Go finish it up at the other mall again. went over to Gucci next. Now I had one thing in mind that I wanted to see here. They have a lot of sneakers, not too bad, but I wanted to see the Adidas Gazelle collaboration with Gucci and hoping that they have my size in one of them. So I'm gonna try some on and hopefully find a pair because I really want these. All right, last store is going to be Saks Fifth Avenue, which gives us a lot of different options to go ahead and get shoes because there's a lot of different brands, different price points. This one we're gonna try to keep cheaper for you guys because these designers are really expensive and sometimes not really worth it. So we're gonna try to get a little bit cheaper for you guys to get a little bit better of a deal, maybe $200-300 bucks. Let's see. Like we said last stop, we're going to the sales section. We are over here checking these out. We got some Off-Whites, we got some Balenciaga, we got some Celine, all kinds of shoes. I have my eye on some particular ones, but I'm thinking the sales section is gonna be the best option because we want to get a deal because we spent way too much money today. Oh, those Lanvins that look like skate shoes, but we're back to the sales section and check it out, and we're gonna get our shoes. It's like a scene of somebody who goes crazy designer shopping, which we never do, and it just feels weird because the experience is so different than going to a sneaker store. So let's break down what we got. All right, so first up, we went to Versace and we spent, Versace I didn't really expect to find a shoe that I really liked, and it's okay, it's not my favorite, $756.86. That's a lot of money. A lot of money for a shoe. And we'll pull these out. So all the shopping experiences were pretty solid. Like the employees were great customer service at all of them. So that's really cool and refreshing. So let's take this out. You get a lot more of an experience than you do with like hype sneakers. Product is equipped with RFID tags to prevent counterfeiting. So you scan that and it shows it's an authentic product. Why don't they have that with like Nike? Come on. Versace dust bag right there, so when you're traveling. And here is the first pair. This is an interesting one. It's a low top sneaker, kind of like a thicker midsole here. And I like the print and the color. It's okay, but it's not my favorite, but I'll throw them on for you guys. Now, these may not be the best pants to wear with all of these shoes, but I'm just gonna, this is all I have. So I like the baggier pants right now. Definitely the vibe that I'm on. And so I think that most of these will work for it, and I think these are pretty good with it. But let me know what you guys think about these. Big dollars, $700. The next one is gonna be from Amiri, better pricing, and I'm definitely going to be wearing these. Now, some of these may not wear. I'm not gonna return them, but I may sell them to you guys for a little bit of a steal, a lot under retail on my website, harrisonnevel.com, but we'll see about that. Next store I went to was Amiri, who had a lot of good stuff, a lot of good options. This shoe, I immediately was like, dang, I really like these. And they also had like a chunkier skate shoe. So these ones came out to $642 after tax. Pull these out. Again, you get a dust bag here, pretty nice dust bag. These are called the Court Highs, and this is in a tan kind of bandana, kind of like the Dior B23s, as well as like a Converse. Really like these. The Dior Converse is what I kind of wear when I'm like dressing up. It's kind of my dress up shoe. And so this I thought was perfect, and I love the colors. These are probably one of my favorites. And if you guys are curious, the pants, these are represent parachute pant, I believe. One of my favorites. Again, it may not be the exact shoe that I wear with these pants, or the exact pant I wear with these shoes, but these Amiris and a lot of the Amiris are really comfortable. So that's a plus if you guys are ever curious about thinking about them. And for the price compared to these other ones, this is probably overall best for me. I definitely will be wearing these. Then we went to Prada. This one ended up being a total of $925. I think this is the most expensive one. This is a very classic Prada, and they have all the different colors in there. This is just the go-to for Prada. These are called the America's Cup sneaker. Very popular silhouette and shoe. Now, I actually wanted to get these before, and I wanted to get this color, and I'm gonna see if I can wear these because I feel like this is a pretty cool shoe. So this sneaker here is known for having the patent leather. You get the different color hits. It's a little bit interesting. It's kind of narrow. Reminds me of like an Adidas Gazelle kind of thing. I'm kind of liking that vibe, and I don't know. I put these on with these pants, and maybe it's the colors. I don't really know if I love the look. And again, these pants aren't the end all be all, and I'm not a style icon, but I wear what I like to wear right now, and it always is represent clothing, but not a paid sponsorship. If you do want these pants though, check them out in the link in the description down below. It's not an affiliate link. I don't get paid. It's just to track any customers that I bring to them, because they show me a lot of love and I show them a lot of love. So this one doesn't have like proper dust bags, but it has these kind of like thin bags, which aren't as nice. And this being the most expensive shoe out of all of them. Again, I don't really think these are the right pants for these shoes. I feel like these are good with like shorts and high sock or a different style pant, if I'm being honest. Product experience as far as box and everything seems to be cheaper than Versace and Amiri, as these being most expensive. This is like a traditional box. This is like a really nice box. So props up to Amiri. All right, then we went to Gucci. Now, there's a specific, I haven't worn Gucci shoes in a long time. There was a period where they were super popular. This, I actually want to get my hands on. I didn't get the exact color that I wanted, but I do like these. I honestly would like to swap these for a different color, but they didn't have my size and the color I wanted at all. So this is the newest collab with the Adidas and Gucci. And the gazelles have been super popular lately. Packaging on this, solid. Really cool. You got obviously that there. You have the different colored paper. Let's pull these out. You get the Adidas Gucci dust bag, which is pretty cool, one for each shoe. And then you get an additional little dust bag inside of there. And then we pull these out. We have a black and yellow Adidas Gazelle Gucci. Now, Gucci print here, Gucci monogram all over. Obviously the Gazelle, great shoe, overall amazing shoe. And this color is the only thing, and I'm like, because they had a red one, dude, I wanted the red so bad. And they're like, we don't have any anywhere. I went and tried to go buy them on like a secondary app, none for sale. So little sad on that, because I really wanted the red pair. I was like, that or burgundy, but what can you do? It's the one like designer shoe I've actually been looking for the past couple months. So let's put these on. These I think look great with baggy pants, even though the shoe almost covers the entire thing. And these overall $850 before tax, so $925. Literally about the exact same as the mirrors. Now, packaging and everything for this I feel like is pretty cool. I really like the design of the box where it slides over and then the handle is on the inside. At first when I saw Gucci Adidas, I was like, that's gonna be a weird collab, but I think they ended up doing a pretty good job on these. I think it's pretty solid. Now, last one up is the budget designer sneaker, which would cost you about the same price as probably a Panda Dunk at a sneaker store right now. And the reason why, I mean, these are older. These came out a while ago. This style is kind of out. $217 after tax. We've been showing these as designer shoes for like 5 years. These are a pair of off-white, I don't even know the name, the vulcanized, the low vulcanized, and a nice blue suede color. Pretty cool color. Nick and I both like. They had a burgundy one that we both like better. You get a dust bag as well. Similar experience. And yeah, these were on sale. Saks Fifth is doing like up to 60% off sale. So these originally were $400 and now they're $200. So big sale there. So if you're close to a Saks Fifth, go check out the sale. We found some good stuff, but let's throw these on. These look fire with these pants, honestly, even in that blue. These look good. We did well today. I don't go designer shopping often. The only designer shopping I really do is like when Sophie and I go on vacation and we go like check out some of the shops, but I don't really buy a lot of designer stuff. So this was a good experiment today, and I think we got some good options. The interesting thing about the Gucci Adidas, they didn't have any pairs out on display, but they had a couple. And I feel like these are kind of popular for them. Some of them are reselling, so I'm curious about that. 15,000 likes, and we will go ahead and go to more designer sneaker stores and spend a lot of money. It's expensive. Leave a like down below if you want to see me suffer and have to spend. Total, we probably spent, oh my God, I don't even think about that, because 2 of them were $1,800. It's about $2,000 and $4,000 today. And we spent $4,000 in a mystery box, like, I guess nothing, but this is different. It hits different. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like down below. I'll see you guys next one. This is Harrison, signing out.